Hey guys, what's up? We are in Clearwater. So this guy called us because there's water just pouring out of his driveway when he got home. Let me show you what's going on. So he gets home. This is one of the houses on the beach. They're probably working on it, and just has a river flowing down his driveway. Now what's interesting about this is a digital meter, and on the flow rate we have 0. So we can hear the water going through this meter, but we may have had some damage to the digital meter during a storm. So we're gonna get it set up here and see if we can't find this leak. Guys, we're on site. The first thing we're gonna do is trace out where this line goes. We got Jeremy. Hey. What's up, Jeremy? Let's trace this thing out, Jeremy, see which way this line's running. All right. So y'all hear that sounds kind of like a B? Let me turn you around. So we're using a pipe tracer. This tells us where the pipe is going. Ironically, if we come up here, come on up here, Jeremy. We got water pouring out underneath these pavers. Let's see where our pipe is. Oh, we got a pipe. We got a pipe close to the leak. All right, let's move on over to step number 2. Jeremy, where do you think the leak is?
I'm thinking it's over there.
All right.
After years of experience, it tells me it's going to be here.
Let's check it out, man. What you got going on? You got a leak detector machine. So this is how you find the leaks, huh?
This is it. It's ultrasonic listening equipment.
Yeah.
We're able to listen through the ground for the sound of the leak.
So can you hear that guy scraping with that shovel way over there in the other driveway?
I can hear him wiggling his toes and his shoes with this thing.
All right, so we're going to listen and see if we can actually hear the leak. Now that we have water showing up and we know where there's a pipe, see if we can find a leak over here. Jeremy, did you hear anything?
I heard it right there.
You heard it right there?
It's very loud.
It's loud?
I heard my ear.
Hey Jeremy, what you doing in here?
I've got some air
Okay.
that I'm going to back pressure this line with.
Okay.
So that we can prove our point of where we believe the leak is going to be.
Are we going to see the leak today?
We're absolutely going to see the leak today.
All right, man, let's go find it.
All right.
So now we want to see if the air is escaping where we think the leak is. We are getting some bubbles here. What are we going to do now, Jeremy?
We're going to pull up some pavers.
All right, let's do it. All right, guys, we got it bubbling up good. We're gonna get down there now and actually put our hands on the pipe. All right, gotta love video editing. Check it out. So we've got this leak exposed. It's a galvanized pipe. Let me get a good angle. Crack it on, Jeremy. You can see the leak right there, spraying down. All right, you can kill it. That's how much water's just soaking down in the ground. So we were able to pinpoint this leak for him. He'll be happy. He may not have a high water bill because the digital meter doesn't work. So if you do have a high water bill or just water running out of your driveway, you can hear the sound of running water, give us a call. We would absolutely love to come and help you. This is all we do all day, every day. My man, Jeremy. Catch you on the next one.